Hello, 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 beautiful people. Have you ever wondered what it takes to constantly outperform your peers and achieve your extraordinary success? So, guys, I'm unveiling top 5 secrets about law of attractions that will turbocharge your career and propel you to your greatness. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take a new career height to next level. So here goes the first tip, that is self-reflections. It is very, very important point because you should be able to take out time within each day to sit with yourselves, to know yourself better, ask questions, reflect yourself, talk with each other. It will make you understand what is your strength, what is your weakness, and what do you do like the most. Yes, it will help you to set a clarity in your goal, where you want to go, what you want to achieve, and which thing you that thing will make you happy. Yes, and there's a powerful quote by Brian McGill says, "The feeling of being offended is warning signal, that is to look inside within yourself. What are your unresolved issues?" Yes, these things are very important. Give time yourself first. Make yourself more clarity. The weakness should be avoided. It should be omitted from your life. If you once know the directions, then only process will be quick, instant. Yes. And second most powerful tip is self-investment. Once journalists asked Warren Buffett, "Sir, can you give one powerful tip about investment?" And they are thinking about something. But Warren Buffett said, "Invest in yourself." And that is a powerful tip. Invest in yourselves. Invest in books, workshop, seminar that will transform your life. And one book is equal to one master degree. Inside of one book, it is accumulation of 10 years of that particular author is given in one book. So you are saving 10 years. And if you get one powerful idea, it will transform whole of your life, your fortune, your financial freedom, time freedom, whole lot of things in your life. Self-investment is more powerful. If I have little money, I'll go and buy a book. If I left with any money, then I'll buy food and clothes by Erasmus. So remember this powerful quote by Erasmus. And number 3 powerful tip is listen to success story of other people. Repeatedly, if you listen the success story of other people, it will transfer the belief into you, and you start believing, if they can do it, I can do it too. The belief feeling is the powerful tools of law of attractions. It will manifest quickly. And there is a powerful YouTube by the name Mind Body Spirit by Sohas. If you listen every day, once you relate to one story, then whole your life will be transformed. Listen to the story of other people. Read autobiography of successful people. Now here is action of vibrational energy. Since law of attraction is nothing but we are vibrational being. If you resonate with that frequency, then nobody will stop you. Remember this thing. Everything is vibrating in this planet. Right from small cell to the planet. And number 4 tips is your master your tools and techniques of law of attractions. Because Abraham Lincoln said, if you give me 6 hours, I'll cut down the tree. And out of 6 hours, I'll take first 4 hours to sharpening my axe. Remember the power of tools. So there are so many tools and techniques in law of attraction. And number one is visualization. Properly how to visualize, how to make a vision board. And there are affirmations, how to make a powerful statement, short and sweet and powerful, which will directly program your mind. Subconscious mind is very, very powerful. And as if technique is a beautiful and powerful technique. We should be good in acting. You are actor and you are actress. As if technique is a beautiful. And scripting, writing. What you want in detail you write. As clear as crystal water. So when you manifest thing, you should feel happy. And you should give gratitude to the universe. And another one is gratitude writing to universe. And there is a gratitude journaling. You keep giving 10 things you are grateful for. And gratitude is so powerful to the universe and to us also. Thankfulness heart attract more things to be grateful. Remember that. Universe is abundance. There is no scarcity. But first you should make yourself abundance in every sector. Health, wealth, career, spirituality, money, relationships. Universe will provide each and everything. Universe is abundance. And last, number 5 tips. That is communication skills. And this is powerful skills, how you communicate to others. It is not what you say, but how you make them feel to other people. That's count. Because as we all know, word consists of only 7% of communications. And 37% our tonality, pitch, pace, voice, and our energy, enthusiasm. And 55 consists of non-verbal communication. That is your body language, hand gesture, facial expressions, eyes, smile. All this were included in 55%. So we should, if it's possible, we should find a voice coach. We should find a body language coach. They will teach these things. And the last but not the least, a bonus tip. That is practice, practice, and practice. Because Bruce Lee once said, I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced a kick 10,000 times. That is the power of consistency, persistency, perseverance. You should remember this thing. And knowing is not enough. We should apply it. Willing is not enough. We should do it. By Bruce Lee. So guys, if you found any useful tips, then go and take actions, implement in your life, and share your success story in a comment below. And keep inspiring others by your success story. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you found any valuable tips in this video, then go and like and subscribe and share to your friend and your family member. And please go and implement these tips. And I'm here with you in this journey to mastering these skills. So guys, see you in the next video. And remember one thing, success is within your reach. Only you have to push yourself. Thank you, thank you, thank you.